Why nutrients matter for fitness beginners.
Starting a fitness journey involves more than just workouts. Choosing the right nutrients helps your body build muscle, recover faster, and maintain energy. Understanding these nutrients is key to creating healthy habits and achieving your fitness goals. Let's explore the 7 most essential nutrients every fitness beginner should know about.
Protein, the building block.
It also helps maintain a healthy metabolism and supports your immune system. Good sources include lean meats, fish, eggs, beans, and dairy products. For beginners, including protein in every meal will help your muscles recover after exercise and promote strength gains.
Carbohydrates, fuel for your workouts.
Carbohydrates are your body's main source of energy. They power you through workouts and help refill energy stores afterward. Focus on whole grains, fruits, and vegetables to supply steady energy and valuable nutrients. Eating the right amount of carbs lets you train harder and recover better.
Healthy fats support recovery and hormones.
Fats are essential for hormone balance and absorbing certain vitamins. Healthy fats also reduce inflammation and support joint health. Include sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish. A balanced approach to fat intake helps sustain your energy and boosts overall health.
Vitamins and minerals, small but mighty.
Vitamins and minerals support hundreds of body functions. Vitamin D, calcium, magnesium, and potassium are especially important for bone health, muscle function, and hydration. Eating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables helps cover your needs, making your body more resilient for workouts and day-to-day activity.
Hydration, the foundation of performance.
Water is vital for every fitness beginner. It keeps your muscles working properly, regulates body temperature, and aids recovery. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, cramps, and reduced performance. Aim to drink water consistently throughout the day, especially before, during, and after your workout.
Fiber for digestion and satiety.
Fiber aids digestion and helps you feel full longer. It promotes gut health, stabilizes blood sugar, and supports a healthy metabolism. Find fiber in whole grains, vegetables, fruits, beans, and nuts. Incorporating fiber ensures your nutrition plan supports sustained performance and long-term well-being.
Putting it all together.
A balanced diet is the cornerstone of fitness progress, focusing on protein, carbohydrates, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, hydration, and fiber lays a strong foundation. Remember, combining good nutrition with consistent exercise will help you reach your fitness goals and feel your best on your journey.